forgotten my password and the account I used. I've tried different combination pero hindi ako makalagin. Sobrang nagpapanik na yung si Ganda kasi until the last minute wala pa rin akong video na pinapadala sa kanya. Tumatawag, nagtitext, and you know naman na once na nasa Pilipinas ka, and especially with my line of business, yung time lagi kong hinahabol. Laging busy, busy-busyhan. Siyempre, businesswoman daw kasi. Anyway, so, I miss you so much. I miss Aling Alma, si Mother, si JM, si ama ko. Lahat kayo namimiss ko kayo. Siguro, sobrang mag-work na lang talaga ako dito sa Pilipinas para makalimutan ko yung gusto ko talagang gawin. Yung umalis ulit, nagtrabaho overseas. Okay na rin ako dito sa Pilipinas. Siguro next time, naalis ako ulit. Pero for now, dito muna ako. And nag-record ng video for the first time para sa isang peso friend of mine. Alam mo po, minsan pasaway ako, nagulo ako, lumulubog, lilitaw bigla, mag-hibernate, mawawala. Pero I know in my heart, kahit hindi ko kayo nakakausap, hindi ko kayo nakikita, I have a friend na pwede kong tawagan anytime kailangan ko ng kausap. A friend na naiintindihan ako, who knows me better than anyone else. Ikaw, si Aling Alma, si Ama, ayun yung mga tao na laging nire-remind ako na sa Singapore, pwede kang maging masaya, na pwede kang maging loka-loka, medyo mawala sa huli, na they will always somebody to pull you back. Ito ang reality check, kumbaga. Ilang beses na, maraming beses na. That's why talagang love na love ko kayo ng Aling Alma. Kahit minsan, katotohanan lahat sinasabi mo, masakit, and okay lang. Kasi I know, the reason why you're doing that is kasi mahal mo. Mahal ka naman kayo, hindi ko. From my heart, honestly, walang kaklasikan, hindi tupperware, just even for the sake na masabi lang dahil birthday mo. It's true. I love you, a friend, a good friend, sister I never had. Sorry kung minsan talagang sobrang pasaway ako. Alam ko naman kasi, you will always forgive me. Hindi ko inaabuso ko. Alam ko when to draw the line. Si Aling Alma, she knows me like this. The love, the love, the love, the love ko. I hope to see you soon. Pero definitely hindi lang kayo. For sure, si Tina, saka Lord, Papa Manicure, Papa Una, Papa Punda, anyone, basta talk to you again. See you again, Mother, si Ganda, si Pat, at syempre si my Homer. Ano nga tawag natin kay my Homer? Snoopy ba yun? Secret lang yun natin. Sorry, my Homer, alam ko na yung secret mo. So, thank you to your family for treating me like a real member of your family. Okay na ako, alam ko sasabihin mo, dami kong picture. Okay lang yan. Stress lang yan. Wala rin yan, hindi pa. The reason why I'm doing this video is to wish you a happy, happy, happy birthday. I know you already have a beautiful daughter, a sweet friend, very loving husband, magandang mother. Saka, ayun, I love you so much. A big kiss from Mr. Lumpia. The best ever. Your lumpiang salya. Ano po ba? Ito, it has, ano siya po? It has, ano lang, ganda po eh. Ito. I just love seeing your face, your smiling face. I know you're happy. I don't want to keep it long. I don't want to make this video very long kasi kapag nakikirap na nga, kapag pagod, iyak, stress. So, again, happy, happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Happiness. Peace. And I hope soon, soon. Soon as in very soon. I just want to have a special day. Sana eventually, kasi ako yung pinaka siguro na-stress ganda sa video.